Oil trapped in pores. Extreme blackhead pressure release. Deep cleaning. What happens when oil gets trapped inside your skin? Not on the surface, but deep inside your pores. It doesn't just sit there, it builds pressure, and over time, that pressure turns into stubborn blackheads. In today's treatment, we are not just removing blackheads, we are releasing the pressure trapped inside the skin. Understanding oil-trapped pores. Your skin naturally produces oil to stay hydrated, but when this oil mixes with dirt and dead skin cells, it becomes trapped inside the pores. As more oil builds up, the pore expands, pressure increases, the blockage hardens. This is how deep blackheads are formed. Why pressure builds up? Most people wash their face, but that only cleans the surface. Inside the pore, oil continues to collect. Without proper extraction, this buildup becomes thicker and harder. That's when pressure starts forming inside the skin. This pressure is what makes some blackheads harder to remove. Step 1. Softening the buildup. Before releasing the pressure, the buildup needs to be softened. We start with deep cleansing followed by steam. Steam helps open the pores, loosen hardened oil, prepare the skin for extraction. Without this step, extraction can damage the skin. Step 2. Pressure release extraction. Core concept. This is where the real transformation happens. Using controlled pressure, we begin releasing the trapped oil. Some pores release instantly, others take time. Showing how deep the buildup is, you can actually see the pressure being released as the blockage comes out. This is not just extraction, this is relief for the skin. Controlled pressure technique. Unique detail. Too much pressure can damage the skin. Too little pressure won't remove the buildup. So we use a controlled technique. Apply pressure slowly, release gradually, repeat until pore is clear. This ensures deep cleaning without harming the skin. Step 3. Calming the skin. After pressure release, the skin needs to relax. We apply soothing treatments to reduce redness and inflammation. Cooling gels and hydration help the skin recover quickly. Step 4. Oil balance hydration. Here's something important. Removing oil doesn't mean drying the skin. If the skin becomes too dry, it produces even more oil. So we restore balance by hydrating the skin properly. This helps prevent future clogged pores. Final transformation. Now look at the skin again. The pressure is gone. The pores are cleaner. The texture is smoother. This is not just a visual change, it's a structural improvement. Final message. Your skin doesn't just need cleaning, it needs balance. Oil is not the enemy, but trapped oil is. Release the pressure early, and your skin will stay clear and healthy. If you enjoyed this satisfying pressure release, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more deep pore cleaning, blackhead removal, and skincare transformations, stay connected.